So I am thinking of dyeing my hair with chocolate cherry. There were so many choices at the store that, you know, once I saw chocolate cherry, I was like, that sounds pretty good. Here's the side of the box. And this side. And that side. And inside we have all of the ingredients. So you have your bottle 2, so that's a 2-step. Then you have, that's a 4-step bonding care complex conditioner. Directions and the gloves are included. This one is a shimmer that you put into the hair. And then, so this is the color. And then you put it into that bottle. Then you put this in. And then you put that in. And you shake it all together into this. And then you like put it through your roots. And you color your hair with all of this. I've never dyed my hair before. And I'm going to try it. Just for laughs. Right now, I do have gray hair. You can see a little bit of gray right in there. Yep. And so it's like this brown color. And we're going to try and see how this did. I have a friend helping me so that I can get the back. And my hair is like very thick. It's very thick hair. And I do have like a dry combo skin. But my hair is somewhat dry. I'm not sure. And then I got 2 boxes just in case because my hair is very thick. So I just want to make sure I get the back. That would be horrible if you dye the front of your hair and then you have nothing on the back. So that is why I need another set of eyeballs to help me with this. So we're going to do this, but my friend doesn't want to be on camera. So this is the before, and you're going to see the after. Who knows? I might be like fire engine red. I don't know. We're going to see what trouble we can get into together. So before and then after. Coffee.
You want to do your hair? It's got leftover dye.
No?
No.
Ah, it's like really red.
You're getting big.
Yeah, I'm 8 years old.
Wow.
So this is the end result, and I am going to hair blow dry it and go from there. So there is definitely some red in it, and it's dark, and I'll I really like the color. It's not totally dry yet. We'll put some leave-in conditioner. Wow, what a color. I'm excited. I like that so much. Look at that. That's beautiful. So we are going to use our beautiful Conair quick heating curling iron. I don't usually use curling irons. I usually end up burning myself. I'm not very good at it. I never do like the curls in the hair. I am the worst at actually taking care of my hair because I hurt myself too often. That's why I have a friend that did this for me. I would end up probably dyeing my face instead of my hair. But now that I understand how to do it, I am very excited to maintain this color because all you do is just take the bottle and you just go through and you just cover all your hair. It's not rocket scientist. It was actually really, really easy, and we had fun. We had fun doing it together, so I am so happy. Look at that color. That is just so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for the sunlight. Oh, look at that. Ah! Chocolate Cherry by L'Oreal. Put my hair back in a bun so it doesn't get all like in my way when I decide to do my bangs. I like wet brushes. I know some people don't recommend wet brushes, but I like wet brushes. They detangle my dry hair very nicely. And so we are going to curl these bangs so I don't look like Cousin It. Alright, not too bad. Not too shabby. Ow! Yep, burnt myself. And I turned it off. See, these buttons are right where your fingers go, so you end up turning it off and on and you don't mean to. That's one design flaw. Of this curling iron. You always have to watch out where you put your fingers. Oh, I missed some. Oh yeah, we got smoke. Bring it on. Not smoke, steam, because they're like kind of. Now, what I could do is leave my bangs like this, or I like that, and look like something from Jane Eyre era, you know, with the bangs, curls coming down. I don't know. I think I'll leave it like that. Quick, 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 quick. Woo! Oh yeah. I like it.